Hey there, I'm back with another game-changing product you're going to love. Let's take a look. The design is simply stunning, clean, elegant, and made to stand out. The price? Surprisingly affordable for something this high quality. This product is a fantastic choice for your office, home, or even as a thoughtful gift for someone special. Check out the description for full details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're always updated on the latest finds. See you soon. Hey there,